Good morning, friends. A powerful friend will be appearing in your life. You must welcome them. Your angels say it's a perfect time for them to come in your life. You must make this phase for yourself. You've had muddled and unclear thinking, and you've been on a long journey, either physically or mentally, but you are a lot wiser now. You must start trusting again. There are unexpected blessings coming your way, which is going to bring you happiness. You must stay light-hearted and carefree. They say you must make yourself your first priority and stand by your commitments. They say don't back out now. Your angels believe in you. There is going to be an unexpected gift that's going to bring you great fortune, and the angels say no. Don't allow shrewdness in business or in your affairs with the family. Don't be afraid to talk up against this. And you're getting a sign from the heavens, and they want to reassure you that you are going to be okay. There is ancient wisdom going to find you, and you must listen to the whispers of the past. They want you to go into meditation or in prayer or listen to your dreams, even. You're getting advice through this methods from your spirit guides and angels. You're also able to connect to your loved ones and your ancestors. They want you to know that endings are inevitable and you must become the true you. Show the world who you really are and what you were born to do. Have a lovely Sunday, everybody. I love you all.